In this video, I will show you where to find the OBD port and VIN number locations on a Mercedes-Benz W213 2020. Let's start with the OBD port. The OBD port is located in the standard position, on the driver's side, below the steering wheel slightly to the left, right here. Now I will show you two VIN number locations. The first VIN number location is at the bottom of the windshield on the driver's side, right here. The second VIN number location can be found after opening the front passenger door. On the door pillar sticker, you can see the VIN number, body number, and other vehicle information. That's it for today. Don't forget to check out the channel for more videos and like and subscribe.